So, we have the maiden flights of the GEPRC 25 CineLog, CineLog25, Insta Go Pro, Insta Pro Go 2, whatever, Insta Pro 2. Let's see.
What happens when you see a live looper doing his thing and you see him reacting at his own songs, but you still don't know what the fuck is going on in his ears, you know? So I think that's really fascinating, but it also tells you like the way that the person moves with the loop station and acts and reacts, that really tells you a lot about its personality, even without hearing, you know, what he's actually hearing. But yeah, that's very, very interesting actually. Silence is the how do you say that? It's light and dark, you know. It's the thing that has to be there for music to make sense, and for even, you know, sentences to make sense. You know, even when you're talking to somebody and you wait to say that thing, that makes it even more powerful, because silence is not expected somehow, and we're not accustomed to listen to silence because there's no sound. So that's the whole beauty of it. I'm in this car, and I want to listen to some music, but there's no car radio. Somebody stole my car radio, and now I just sit in silence. You just have to face yourself and face your thoughts, and so that's the image that really, you know, hit me when I first heard these lyrics.
I ponder of something great, my lungs will feel and then deflate. They fill with fire, exhale desire. I know it's time, my time today. I have this thought so often I had to replace that slot with one I was bought, cause somebody stole my car radio and I would just sit in silence. But you know, sometimes quiet is violent. I find it hard to hide it, my pride is low. Down there inside, it's on my sleeve. My skin will scream, reminding me of who I killed inside my dream. I hate this God that I'm driving, there's no hiding for me. I'm forced to deal with what I feel. There is no distraction to mess what is real. I can pull the steering wheel. I have this thought so often I had to replace the slot with one I was bought, cause somebody stole my car radio and I would just sit in silence. Something terrifying, cause this time there's no sign to hide behind. To find over the course of a human existence, one thing consists of consistence, and that's the real battling fear. God, I don't know if you know what we hear. Oh my, too deep, please stop thinking. I liked it better when my car head sounds. There are things we can do, but from what you choose there are only two, and from the two that you choose to do, this will win or fear will lose. And there's faith and there's sleep. We need to pick one, please, cause faith is to be awake, and to be awake is to try to think, and to try to think is to be alive. And I will try with every rhyme to come across like I am dying to let you know you need to try to think. I have this thought so often I had to replace that slot with one I was buying, cause somebody stole my car radio and I would just sit in silence.
The kind of voice that screams this out is really powerful.
Yeah.
It makes you kind of feel the desperation in some kind of way that comes with facing your own demons. There's nothing you can do about it. We should try and appreciate, live with silence a little bit more.
Silence.
Proper playtime. Definitely approved.
All right. That was it.